In the same way, we can do with the sales book. Sales book give us the opportunity to show to customer order copy or to have a, list of customers that their KB have recent history of orders. Again, with the combination of button Control F, we see the Trova search tools. Here we need only to include um, bookmarks, which is in Italian segnalibri, and from here, again, doing the same example, I can do crane searching. I do the search, takes a little bit time because there are 500 page, and we move to the first results that bring me to handling material handling. If I do again Avanti, it will move to every single uh, element of the PDF where the word crane is. Obviously, if I do in this way, I am focusing the search on a single word crane. And in this case, he found the word Konecranes and the category material handling. Why? Because in this category there are other uh, orders when the word crane is included. So if I am new to this market and I don't know whether KB is working in this market, if I use sales book, if I go to search with a as a first step, for sure, I can search in the different bookmarks. In the second step, I can put the name of the customer I am searching for, and the software will guide me to the Konecranes. But if I'm searching for a more generic, and I do the same example as before, I do pump, it will go to the section pump, and again, pushing the button search, it will guide me in the different part of the document where the word pump is present. Obviously, from that moment in which I arrive to the section, the document is not going inside every single slide to search for the word pump, because the word can be in another language, can be bombas, or can be a company that do pumps, but in their head paper is not written. And with this, you can have more, let's say, opportunity to show, especially now that we are in remote, to customer where we are present in terms of reference.